Hi guys, so today I will be talking about 1,000 Wishes 24-hour moisture ultra shea body cream. This is just the 8-ounce packaging. Guys, okay, this is by Bath and Body Works, but before I really get into it, I just want to show you guys the packaging because honestly, this is the best packaging that I've ever seen a Bath and Body Works anything have. So I just want to show this off really quickly. And before I start talking about this is my favorite lotion from Bath and Body Works, hands down. So yeah, but at the top it just says Bath and Body Works and it says 1,000 Wishes, and it just kind of has like this, you can't really feel it, but it's like engraved in like the top part of the lotion bottle, and this is just like kind of like sparkles. It almost looks like bedazzles in a way. This is just like reflective gems. I don't know how to explain it. You can't really like feel it, but like it's just like reflective gems. And then right here it has a big bow, and this is just like a big like violet bow. And then right here, I don't know, I'm really bad with flowers, guys. I want to say these are like tulips, but I'm honestly not so sure, so I'm really sorry. I apologize. Actually, maybe I can find out when I flip it over, but it just says 24-hour moisture ultra shea body cream, and it's not lying about that because that is true. But this is a part of the signature collection. I'm trying to see, like Peonies, I believe maybe that's the flower, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on it. I'm really sorry, guys. But I just want to show you guys what the back looks. So at the top it kind of has like those bedazzles, and then like I said, it says like signature collection. And yeah, the name of the perfume is because it says this warms your heart 1,000 times over with our dazzling scent. So it's 1,000 wishes. And yeah. So getting started on my favorite lotion, I ended up getting the perfume first before I even knew about the lotion. The perfume was given to me as a gift from one of my relatives, and I was super crazy about the perfume. I ended up going back and purchasing another one just for myself, so that shows how much I love this scent in general. If any of you guys are familiar with Bath and Body Works products, you know that a lot of the times they discontinue a lot of scents. So if you do plan on purchasing scents that you tend to like, I'm always very skeptical about it sometimes, because I'll go in one day to get re-up on the scents and they won't have them, and I'll just be really sad. I'm like, okay, like you guys just had this last week. So that's one thing that I'm like not a fan of when it comes to Bath and Body Works. I tend to love a lot of their products and they tend to discontinue them a lot. But so far, well, the last time I went in Bath and Body Works, it was around Christmas, and I ended up stocking up so much that I haven't even been back in there. So I don't know if this product is discontinued or not. It shouldn't be, because I feel like this is one of their best sellers, along with like their originals like Japanese Blossom and all of those ones. But this product should be on Amazon, and the lotion and the perfume is on there, and it's very inexpensive, especially for the quality of it. So I'm very skeptical when lotions say Ultra Shea 24-hour moisture. When it comes to lotions, I honestly don't play about it, and it's just like one of those things where like you want to invest your money and get your money's worth out of it. And so I like really take that stuff seriously, and this lotion honestly does everything it says. Not only does it give me 24-hour moisture, but it also, the scent stays on there for around the same amount of time too. And it's just something where I consistently put my hands up to my face because it honestly smells so good. This is a very like girly, very like flowery scent. It's a scent that like I definitely wear before going out. I love spraying the perfume and using the lotion after I get out the shower, and on some days that I go to class. It's a scent that I don't really like to use a lot because I really like to cherish it and use it for like special occasions. But as you guys can see, I barely like, this lotion is like, there's nothing in there, so I'm gonna have to pop open one of the other bottles that I bought. But I really do love this lotion. I love the way Bath & Body Works packages it, because when I don't have enough left in there, I can cut off the top and then get the lotion from the bottom, or cut off the bottom, because I really don't want to cut off this top. Like, this is like honestly one of the best packaging that I've seen Bath & Body Works do so far. So honestly, like, I really do like really do recommend this product. Another cool thing that I can say too about this as well, something else that I noticed with Bath & Body Works products is that if you leave it sitting for a while and you haven't been using it, they tend to like change the scent. It doesn't get bad, but it tends to get stronger in my opinion. And like the scent, when you leave any perfume or any lotion there, it's going to change a little bit in my opinion. But this does not do that. I've had like lotions of this sitting ever since Christmas that I haven't used, so, and I like will open them just to smell them, and it honestly hasn't changed. Like, so I really do love this lotion. Like I said before, this is just the Bath & Body Works 1000 Wishes 24 Hours Ultra Shea Body Cream.